Hello students, I am Pradeep Kumar, Mathematics faculty at Toppers Academy. So today we will again discuss one more question of your previous year questions. Okay, and this question is from JEE Advanced 2013. And question is the value of cot of this sigma cot inverse 1 plus sigma 2k. Okay, चलिए solve करते हैं. First of all इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ठीक है, सिग्मा k इज इक्वल टू 1 to n 2k. ठीक है, सिग्मा k is equal to 1 to n 2k. So what is this? This is sum of n even natural numbers. Yes, when you put k as 1, so you'll get 2, plus k as 2, you'll get 4, plus k is 3, so you'll get 6, plus so on, plus that is what 2n. Yes, and we already know this sum, that is what from your AP, this is n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1. Got it? This is n into n plus 1. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे इस वैल्यू को रखेंगे कोट इनवर्स. नाउ कैलकुलेट कोट इनवर्स 1 प्लस सिग्मा दिस, एंड दिस वैल्यू इज n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1. Okay, and sir this thing is what? This thing is, now sir n is what? N is positive number 1 to 23. Okay, so this thing is a positive thing. So coat inverse something positive, that is tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus nn plus 1. Yes, we know the formula. Okay, and this can be written as tan inverse 1 can be written as n plus 1 minus n divided by 1 plus n into n plus 1. Okay, so this is your 1 upon 1 plus n into n plus 1. So that is tan inverse something x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. Okay, so this is the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Yes, so that will be what? Now that will be tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Okay, that is tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Now sir, we have to find sigma n is equal to 1 to 23. Now if you find sigma n is equal to 1 to 23, cot inverse, that is what? That is sigma n is equal to 1 to 23, sigma n is equal to 1 to 23, that is cot inverse 1 plus this, and cot inverse 1 plus that sigma 2k, that is what? Tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Okay, so here we can write what? Here we can write that is sigma k is equal to 1 to 23, cot inverse 1 plus that is sigma 2k, k is equal to 1 to n, sigma 2k, that is k is from 1 to n, that value is what? That value is sigma k is equal to 1 to, sorry, n is equal to 1 to what? N is equal to 1 to 23. Okay, n is equal to 1 to 23, and this thing is tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n. Okay, that's the thing. Now sir, we can see what? Now we can see the cancellation pattern. If you put the values here, so you will get this sum as, this sum is equal to tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 plus, when you put another value 2, tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2. Similarly, when you put the next value, so you will get tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3, and similarly you can see when you put 22, so you will get tan inverse 23 minus tan inverse 22. Okay, and plus tan inverse 24 minus tan inverse 23. Got it? That's the value. Okay, this is your sigma, this is your sum. Now you can observe your cancellation pattern, and the cancellation pattern is this one. You can cancel like this. Okay, you can cancel like this. So now you have the thing as, tan inverse 24 minus tan inverse 1. So you can apply the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, which is tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y, okay, which is equal to what? Which is equal to tan inverse that is 23 by 25, yes, 23 by 25, got it? That is tan inverse 23 upon 25, okay. So that value is what? That value is tan inverse 23 by 25, but we have to find what? We have to find quote of this value, okay, quote of this value. So sir, required thing is quote of sigma n is equal to 1 to 23 quote inverse 1 plus sigma k is equal to 1 to n 2k, okay, that is equal to what? That is equal to quote, and this sigma k is n is equal to 1 to 23 quote inverse 1 plus sigma 2k, that is what? That is tan inverse 23 upon 25, tan inverse 23 upon 25. So you can say this value is what? This value is quote, and this tan inverse 23 upon 25 is, that is a quote inverse 25 by 23, and quote of quote inverse 25 by 3 is 25 by 23, yes. So 25 by 23 is what? That's your final answer. So if you observe your options 25 by 23, so it means B is the correct option, okay. So here B is what? B is the correct option. So this is what? This is very simple question on your trigonometry and combination of your little bit combination of your arithmetic progression, okay, sum of even natural numbers, first 10 even natural numbers, okay. So B is your final answer, and this is okay for this video. In the next video we'll discuss the one more previous year question, okay. Till then, thank you everyone and bye bye.